Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I have already shown you how to use a Bluetooth module with an Arduino Uno. Now let's look at how to use it with a bare microcontroller. Yes, you guessed it right, the attiny85. Specialty about this is that it is really tiny, like I could actually put everything on a mini breadboard. But if you want, you can go even smaller by putting it on a PCB. Maybe I will do it in the future. I can place it on remote and other things which are usually lost. I can find it with the help of my phone. It's time to upload the code. If you don't know, you can go check out the video in the description. The attiny85 doesn't have dedicated serial ports like Arduino, so first we need to import the software serial library. Here I am defining the RX and TX pins as 1 and 0 respectively. So the software serial pins are RX and TX. We have connected the LED and the buzzer to pin 4 of attiny85. Initializing the pin modes. Instead of serial.begin, we use software serial.begin. And while true, if the software serial is available, we are reading the available data to the received character. We are checking if the received character is equal to A. If so, do this. Else, if it is equal to B, then do this. Now we have set up everything and we just need to power it. For that, I have taken two wires and here we have a terminal. I have connected it to a USB cable. I'm going to connect this cable to the 5-volt adapter here. Now let me just turn it on. Yeah, you can see it's working right now.